Hi guys, this is Anne. Welcome to my simple smoothie recipe. We're going to do pineapples, bananas, and a watered down juice of raspberries and strawberries. Or you can just say the juice of raspberries and strawberries. Just put it in the blender. Put your pineapples in the blender. Just that, and I've put some aside just for eating. Put the bananas, and when you're done, you finish just with 3 ingredients. Just 3: the banana, the pineapple, and the juice of the raspberry and strawberry, which is a little bit watered down. Blended it up. There it is. It has a pale kind of look of color, which I thought was nice because I'm always doing green juices, and this is nice and sweet and tart all at the same time. It's really delicious. So there you go, guys. That's it. I'm trying to go where the light is better. I've tasted it. It's nice, sweet and tart at the same time, or is it citric? Thanks for watching. Bye.